Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove filters and sleep focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. Then after that, in the sleep focus, scroll down and go to focus filter section. Then click the application or the focus filters that you want to remove. For example, the messages. Just click. Then after you open, just click the delete filter. And the pop-up will appear. Then click again the delete filter. And your focus filters is now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed filters and sleep focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!